Today, let's make some manifestation with a masterboard. A couple of weeks ago, I had this lovely comment from Popoki Cat, and we had a discussion about masterboards, and I was really inspired to do one for myself also, because I haven't done one in a very long time. So, thank you Popoki Cat for the inspiration, and would you look at that cat? That cat is so cute and adorable. I wanted to add a manifestation element to this masterboard because I think manifestation and focusing on the things that you want to achieve is so important. And I think mixing manifestation with some art can be really powerful. So let's do that today. And the other reason that I came up with this manifestation masterboard idea was because I have for a while now manifested something and it finally arrived. I will tell you more of that later in this video, but for now let's start to make this masterboard and hope you enjoy the video. Now let's talk a bit more of the manifestation bubbles. You can make a little list, for example, of the things that you would like to have and achieve, and then you can draw them into these bubbles or write some words or glue some pictures or whatever comes to mind. But these bubbles are power bubbles. And you can do with them whatever you want. But now let's continue with the coloring, and then I am adding my own manifestations to the magic bubbles. that the coloring is done, I will draw some manifestations that I want to achieve. And a big part of my manifestation is nature, and I would like to have more time in nature. So I am drawing a clock that represents the time. And actually this is my main manifestation in this masterboard. Time in nature, time with family and loved ones. And here is another one of my manifestations. It's a hot air balloon and it represents traveling. I would love to travel more, and I wanted to include this in these power bubbles. But first it became so small that I don't think that this will even carry me to the mailbox. So I have to make it a little bigger, so I will get across the ocean. But yeah, this is my traveling wish. And of course, in traveling you need money, and this green bubble represents just that. I think the green is money energy color. Here is my art bubble, and I have been spending a lot of time with my art journalings and videos, and this is a nice segue to something that I have manifested now. I have been manifesting this for a long time now, and now it kind of dropped in my lap. I found myself a little art studio, and I am so happy about this. It's in a 100-year-old factory, and it's a tiny space where I can haul all my furniture and art supplies and knickknacks. So I will be doing art from there from now on, and I am so happy that it finally came true. This is a lovely little space with a factory feeling, with those old windows, and I love it. And this whole factory has been changed into little and more bigger spaces for businesses. So I will keep you updated when I get all my stuff in there, and I will show you then some more of the vibes. Yes, but let's continue with the rest of the decorating, and this will be ready soon. And I would like to thank you all for the lovely comments and for watching my videos and likes and shares, and you are the best. And I really appreciate you. Let's keep on manifesting those dreams and have fun while doing it. Kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.